Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. So today you guys, I have a really special unboxing. This is actually my very first collab video and I'm collabing with my friend Liz from Nothing But Bags. If you're not following Liz's channel, do yourself a favor and head over and subscribe. She loves bags just as much as I do, if not more. And she has a beautiful collection of curated pieces that really reflect her personality and style. Once you watch my video, make sure to head over to Liz's video and see what she's unboxing too. So this collaboration is really a celebration of what's to come. Both Liz and I separated from our jobs towards the end of last year. I resigned from my job in September, and I think she separated from hers around the same time. But now both of us are looking forward to getting back into the workforce. So just a little backstory, I recently interviewed for a job that I just knew I was going to get, but I ended up not getting it. I had planned to buy a bag to celebrate, but then I got the news that I didn't get the job after all. But you guys, I just went ahead and bought the bag because I know I will be getting a job. And now I know bags aren't the most important thing in the world, but they do make me happy. And this bag for me is really about celebrating what's ahead. So I've had my eye on this bag for a while, but I didn't just want to impulse buy it. I really wanted to think it through because honestly, I haven't had the best luck with this silhouette. But you guys, this one is just so ebony coated. It made so much sense for me to have. And the bag that I got to celebrate what's to come is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB trunk. You guys, I have seen this bag in person a few times, and each time I was in awe, but I just wasn't sure if it was really for me. So this is essentially the Alma BB redesigned with Louis Vuitton's trunk heritage in mind. The metal trunk style corners and studs lean right into Louis Vuitton's trunk making history, and in my opinion, really elevates the classic Alma in a whole new way. Even with all of that, I still had to be honest with myself. The Alma BB isn't a bag that I've had much luck with historically. I have purchased this bag 3 times, you guys. Initially, I had this bag in ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕦𝕟𝕣𝕠𝕟𝕦𝕠𝕟, and for me, it just felt a little too simple after a while. I really think I only got that bag because Louis Vuitton finally added an adjustable strap to it, which made it tall girl friendly, but it didn't really speak to my style. I've actually since sold all of my ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕦𝕠𝕟 pieces. I really think I just outgrew that print. Then I had the Parisian street sign Alma BB, which was really dope, but it just wasn't me. I couldn't quite make it work with my style. The print was fun and different, but for my everyday outfits, it felt a little tricky to pull off. And then lastly, late last year, I purchased the Miroir Alma BB. Now, don't get me wrong, I liked it, but honestly, where was I even going to wear that? You guys, I just can't be buying bags for some hypothetical moment that's never coming. Mirror bags are really pretty, but just not practical for my life. So I ended up returning it. So I haven't had the best luck with the Alma BB up until now. And I don't think it was a silhouette. I really think it was a styles. But this design right here just completely fixes that because this Alma BB trunk is my style all day long. The monogram, the trunk details, the black leather trim. This bag is ebony coated to the max. Even with me looking at it right now, it just feels so me. Almost like this bag was specifically made for me. And I honestly couldn't think of a more perfect bag to celebrate what's to come. So I'm going to show you around the bag. Yes, it's still the classic Alma silhouette, but there's clearly some differences. So I'll point those out and show you everything that comes with it. And then I'm going to start carrying this bag right now, you guys. So I'll show you what I'll be carrying in it today. So basically, the silhouette is exactly the same. It's still that classic dome-shaped bag, so nothing has changed there. But there are 2 things I noticed right away. First, there's this black leather tab at the top that says Louis Vuitton Paris. It's a small detail, but it really ties into the trunk-inspired design and gives the bag a slightly bolder look than the traditional Alma. The other obvious difference is the bottom of the bag. On the regular Alma BB, there's leather around the bottom and on the base. The Alma BB trunk doesn't have that. Instead, it has studs across the bottom, which I think is a really pretty detail. On the corners are the trunk feet, which just made this bag stand out so much to me. I love trunk feet on a bag, and these are just perfect. Sturdy, stylish, and classic Louis Vuitton. Again, there's no leather on the base. It's just canvas sitting on these metal trunk feet, which to me makes the whole bag feel more structured and a little more intentional. Like the original Alma, the top has double zipper pulls. The zipper is a little stiff right now, but honestly, it doesn't bother me. That's a really easy fix with wax paper. The interior is lined with microfiber. There's one flat pocket on the back wall and nothing on the opposite side. Inside the bag is the adjustable crossbody strap, and I am so happy to report that it's tall girl friendly. I actually saw this bag twice in store before I purchased it, and I tried it on both times. I'll pop in a picture here, and it fit perfectly. I don't think I'll use it crossbody all that much, but I love having the option. Also inside is the gold chain. I don't know if it was necessary to add a chain to this bag. Louis Vuitton has been putting chains on so many of their bags lately, and of course, we know why that is, but this is the chain that it comes with. I'm going to use the chain with it. I'm not mad about it at all because I think it's going to look really cute on the bag, but honestly, I would have loved the bag just the same without it. And finally, inside is the lock and key. I asked my CA to keep it inside the box because I'm never going to use it. I know some people like to attach it to their bag, but that's just not my style, so I'll be leaving it safely inside the box in its little dust bag. So I'm about to start carrying this bag right now, you guys. My husband is taking me out tonight, and this is the perfect bag for date night. So I'm just going to put my stuff inside with you so you can see what I'll be carrying. I ordered a bag organizer from 𝕬𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕬𝕠𝕟𝕦𝕟 a few months ago when I ordered the Miroir Alma BB, but again, I ended up returning that bag, so I never used this organizer. But I'm glad that I hung on to it because it's going to be perfect for this Alma BB trunk. This organizer is in the color heather gray, and I made sure to get the thinnest option so it doesn't take up too much space. This is the 1.2 millimeter size. Here's what the organizer looks like inside. It fits really nicely, like a glove. If you're in the market for an organizer, I definitely recommend 𝕬𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕬𝕠𝕟𝕟. If you purchase one from them, be sure to use my discount code FOREVEREBONY at checkout for 20% off. So first inside is going to be my key pouch S. You guys, this has got to be my favorite SLG. I use this every single day in all of my bags. Next up is my zippy coin purse. You guys, I bought so many SLGs last year, and what I realized is I actually don't like switching wallets. This one really does work for me. It fits what I need, and it works with all of my bags. My card case, and a hand cream. And this is what everything looks like inside. I definitely still have room for a few more small things like a lip balm or hand sanitizer. One thing I've noticed with the Alma BB is that it's really all about how you place your items inside. Being a little strategic with how you pack it makes a huge difference and really helps maximize the space. So again, you guys, it did also come with this chain, and I'm going to be using it on it, so let me just put it on. Now listen, I might be eating my words a little because this chain is actually very necessary. To me, it just finishes the bag and gives it a little extra something without taking away from the trunk details. I am so happy to finally have this bag. This bag came out in November, on November the 14th, I believe. I went in and I saw it in store when it first came out, and I almost bought it then, but I really wanted to sit with it and think it through. Like I said, I've owned the Alma BB 3 different times and it never quite worked out. I'm really trying to be more intentional with my purchases, and I wanted to make sure this one truly made sense, and it does. I don't see this as me buying the Alma BB again. I see it as me finally finding the version that speaks to my style. I've learned from the past. I took my time with this one, and that's why it feels like the perfect way to celebrate what's to come. Liz, thank you so much for suggesting this collab. You know, I just adore you, and I'm so happy we got to do this together. You guys, be sure to head over to her channel to see what bag she got. I may or may not already know what it is, but I'm not telling. So head over to watch and make sure you subscribe while you're there. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. If so, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video.